Okay, so here's how the landscaping is coming. Filling in the dirt in places where I want to put it. Leveling it out. I'm going to do like a little step thing going on here. Got the higher flower bed, and then this will be the lower one. Fill this with dirt, finish filling that up. And then we have these plants here. We're going to put in there. Then we have more over here. We're putting these in there. And then we have some bulbs too we're going to plant. They're going to look really nice when it's done. But it's coming. It's coming along. Might have to run and get some more dirt though. Okay, so this is what it looks like afterwards. We got a lot of the plants in. It's just gotta grow up now. A lot of these are gonna grow up, they're gonna bush out. And it's gonna look really nice when everything grows in. Creeping Jenny is gonna vine all over the place and cover all the bare spots. I'm gonna have some elephant ears growing right here in the center. We got some other bulbs that we're gonna plant pretty soon. As you can see, this is what the creeping Jenny looks like. It's ground cover. A lot of this is ground cover. It doesn't get very tall. And it's got lots of different colored flowers. So there's going to be a mixed variety of flowers. These are going to bush out right here. They're going to grow really tall and bush out. And I'll have to eventually keep trimming these up a little bit. These lemon cedars, whatever they are. Right now I'm putting some water in the pond. Putting some fresh water in there for them. So all in all, it's coming along. We're working our way this way. So we got as far as here. And I gotta get the lilac bush and put it somewhere else instead of there. And we're gonna rototill this part of the garden up right here. We're gonna rototill that up so that way it's ready to plant. We're just gonna keep working our way around this way. Then eventually we'll keep working our way around that way. All the way to there. Like we do all the time. I still gotta figure out a place to put this Japanese maple. And we picked these up today at Walmart. These are gonna face the pond somehow. They're solar powered. And so hopefully it'll look nice at night. I'll have to get a nighttime video too as well. I want to be able to light this pond up. So over the course of the next few months I'll keep buying more and more lights just to keep lighting it up at night or something. I trimmed up my Japanese maple here. I finally planted it, but I made sure that I put rubber on the bottom so the roots don't go in the ground. So just in case we have to move, I can just pull it up and not have to worry about leaving it behind. That's what I worry about. That's why I got stuff in pots. I got my grandma's lilacs in pots. Got my Japanese maples in pots. Lilacs in pots. So just in case we have to. You never know. But we like this place, so hopefully we get to stay here a long time. It's coming along great.
See it?
No.
It's moving.
Alright guys, so just got wind that some of the babies are hatching.
Hey, here's one. Right over here. There's 3 of them right there. Back further. No, this way. There's one.
Right there's a baby. Yep, you can see it wiggling. Some are starting to hatch.
And there's
Those
one.
little white dots are the eggs.
One.
There's one right there.
You can see
There's
them
two.
squirming.
Yep. There's 2 or 3 right there squirming. There's another right there, yep.
Right there. There's one.
So this is what the koi eggs look like. They're starting to hatch.
There's one up here too, hanging on the roots.
Yeah, the fuzzy ones aren't good.
See it? It's right on the edge of the roots. I don't know if you can see it.
I see eggs, but
You're over too far. Yeah, come over this way. Right there.
that
See
one's
him?
hatching. Yep.
Right there.
Oh yeah, you can see him moving.
Don't forget the money.
Right there. Oh, there's another one. It's up behind the leaf.
Yeah, I see one. These are all baby koi eggs hatching. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see this, but these little squiggly wormy looking things are babies. Yep, there they are. You can see them jumping up and around, flip-flopping around. Those are babies hatching. There's literally thousands of them. So this should be interesting.
They're all right here too.
Yeah, they're all over the
one
place.
just fell. One just floated down. Right here.
They're all over wiggling.
They're all right.
Let's see if I can zoom in again. Okay. Well, it's about as good as I can get it.
They're everywhere.
No.
They're over here jumping now.
Here is an update on the babies. This is how small they are. Really tiny. These are the koi.
You see them on the back wall and side wall.
You can see them all over. That is a lot. Holy cow.
They're on
That's
every
pretty cool.
side of the tank. They're just now starting trying to figure out how to swim.
Where'd it go? Yeah, I can't see it. Where is it? I can't see it in here. Where is it? Oh, right there. There's one swimming.
He's trying to swim. There's another one trying to swim.
Look like little tadpoles. Okay, alright. Here is
Over here.
another update on the babies. How many days has it been? A week?
a week since they've been laid.
Okay. And they are free swimming now. See all the babies swimming? All those cute little babies? They're also eating too.
They're looking for food on the bottom.
There's probably, how many would you say, hon? This is just one tank too. We have three tanks full of babies.
These are just koi.
These ones are the koi babies. I zoomed in on them. They're eating.
Once they get their first gulp of air and free swimming is when they start eating.
So this is the second year that we've had babies. Then over here is the goldfish babies. There's lots of them there too.
They're mainly on.
Take a look at them. Here we go. Tons of goldfish babies. What do you think? Is there more goldfish ones in the koi or?
I don't know. Well, between
Are
the
these
two.
guys eating too?
Yeah.
Okay. These guys hatched a day and a half, I think, later than the koi too.
Yep.
And these are probably, I'd say, 1/8 of an inch. Just a little over 1/8 of an inch. You can see the little bubble of their tummies. That's their air bladder. That's what keeps them buoyant.